Fish on. Hey, my name is Lance, and you're watching my channel, Lance's Outdoor Adventures. And today's adventure, we're going to the Fremont Weir Wildlife Area. We're gonna hike in to the Sacramento River and fish, trying to catch a striper, sturgeon, or a catfish, or whatever's biting. And the Fremont Weir Wildlife Area consists of approximately 1,500 acres of tall, weedy vegetation, brush, valley oaks, willows, and cottonwood trees. And turkey season was yesterday. So there's probably going to be a lot of turkey hunters out there. I'm going to go turkey hunting in a few days, but can you do me a favor? Like, follow, subscribe, so you can be notified of future videos. I made it to the weir, 1.1 miles from my car. We still got a little ways to go to get to the water. Check this out. That's the weir. Right there. We got to walk down that direction. And then the Sacramento River is over there by them row of trees. And so we can't fish right there because there's no way to get to the water. It's real high up. So we got to walk down this way until we get to the tower and then head down that little gully to the Sacramento River. I came across a couple hunters who were walking back, and they each had a turkey. So they let me take a picture of it, not of them, but of the turkey. So check this out. Hunters on bikes. We made it to the tower. Now we're going to walk down this trail to the water. The Sacramento River. Sacramento River. And this is the trail we just came down. So now we're gonna set our stuff up and get to fishing. Very shallow. What are you doing with it? Are you on there? Fish on. Ooh, that's a nice little striper. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Keeper size, but we ain't keeping none. Come on, buddy. Yeah, you all right? Ooh, nice striper. That's a striper. That's how we do it.